stand a chance to win a trip for two to Spain to watch Real Madrid live in action with @Nivea Man SA. Buy any Nivea Man deep product and enter *120 *607 hash to stand a chance. You can explore the sights of Madrid. You will have a training session at the Real Madrid training ground and a tour to the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium. Terms and conditions apply. The competition starts from the 1st of March to the 30th of April 2023. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskitimes.co.za, of course, always powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns, 10 goals in a matter of 3 or 4 days. Really, the last time we saw them was on Saturday. It's now Tuesday, barely 72 hours, 10 goals. 5-1 against Royal AM, not a contest, not even anything resembling a contest. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They're almost there.
Sure.
It's Sundowns.
Yeah,
mathematically speaking, in one game or two games, I think maybe now there's like one game left, then they can say, congratulations, you're the champions. Yes, sir. Mr. So-and-so?
Yellow bone. Allende. Allende.
The little Napoleon.
Yeah, I am with justice.
Easy.
Keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting and try to fix South African football.
Yes, sir.
I think I'll compliment Abu James, man, School of Excellence, James, Nalabo Bomjalifa. Given a chance to get around the Pastalin Abenengbon. A lot of teams, if they need young, quality and exciting players, I think that's how you develop players. James was spending about 30 metro. It's been a while experience. Another James, but we produce my pen. I know the boy Mina. No mangamas personal watch him, figure la Bangbona Chimada. So quality the LAP school. So credit to these guys. Proper assessment. Abantabanga enza my favor. So credit to those guys. Abantabenza msebenzi cool school abomjalifa abo James. So nguleko coming to the game, I think Sundowns won the game first half, made it easy. Yeah. He really means a mistake by coming to this game, applying it 3-5-2. Udlaling ama wing back uzothi umkhayila abambe side la right eye one. Question ukuthi udlala na which type of a team, and then side la left uthabo matlaba. Udlala na yipi type of team. Ngoba team almost elinda ma right moment, you understand, and in order for you as a mhlambi opposition Royal M ukuthi chola uthabo matlaba na mkhayila, you need to be dominant in the middle. Oh, I think we're supposed to uqale ngayo linking yena uJohn Matuka spread ama pass behind the defense Mamelodi Sundowns. Though I'm not too sure good because we told that chance cause Begazomarka. So going to this game, Sundowns very simple. It is good to this opposition here Royal M. What they did today, as usual, 2 center back, which is Ukran Kakana Mvala, before Pomokrant. They open up Mgwena Kamnera, and then somebody from deep comes, which is Uneo Mayema no Allende. It comes immediately on Pasipola, it doesn't turn. If I necessary, just play one touch, somebody must pay that run, Sebasea final team. What they did today, Uneo Mayema Begangena Pagat, option is 2, Uneo Ngena Pagatum, Dangena Pagati. Allende and Mayema buying a pandum dibangene pagat. Confusion. So lose the opponent, but to the Sebasea final opponent. Upega Makolo Abunkulego. Credit to Allende, no Mayema. For me, again, outstanding man of the match. I think every time Sundowns was playing, they were shot almost in. Melesimni credit because Komanyama came. Melengimni. Last week, Gule came Alakli give him. Because Mkwena Begalova man. And Sundowns has with your linker. But Ali Polete Peck, he must link as a defense. Pola Maluela right, he must come and link. So today he did very well again. So credit to Rulan Mkwena bringing the same team. Ubonis Gutangzanga Muklala. 10 goals in 2 games. So today what they did, they won the game again in the middle. Neo Mayema, Allende, Mkwena. These guys changing position, ama fullback angene phakathi confusing. The team bese ihlangahlangene Royal tactical, I think them they were confused. Angeke abomkhayila ubona ama wingback angena phakathi. Ngikhuluma ngaye umdiba naye umdawo. Bese nina nisahleli umkhayila na matlaba, that's a mistake bayenzile. In the middle they look confused bebangana defensive midfield. I think first half, that's why it was so easy for them. Sometimes we being wide. All the goals they were coming in the middle. And credit to Sundowns, njoba ngisho ngithi uMailula, Shalile, Shishi did very well now in terms of creating space for each other. Run off the ball, finishing, not being selfish. Beku is good bakore. If somebody scoring position they give him. Uneo played a big part in Kulile Gomanga checker passing. Now we came le Alakhli. Mina love Uneo because of his job. He is one of I think Sundowns job ayenza him and Allende, especially Allende reminds me of an Iniesta, Iniesta. Control tempo of the game. We see Uneo is more dynamic. He takes shots. Run up behind, I'm defend, takes them on. We spread them past low compose I game, control the game, and then Mgoena is more simplifying things. So immediately Filtiabo today, outstanding. Up front, running off the ball, finishing, never wasted chances. First half, I think they won the game very simple. Uba dominant because it's only chance one the Polish Shaipan, a mistake around when supposed to come out. None than that, they were not as angry to the party. System about approach the game 3-5-2.
At what point do you say to John Maduka, because we saw this, we saw, okay, Mukhaila is supposed to be on two halves, attack on the other half, defend on your own half, which is almost impossible against the Sundowns. Matlaba, the same thing on your left hand side, defend on your own half, attack. There was no help on the left hand side, no help on the right hand side. At what point do you expect a coach to say, make that adjustment? Because they scored 3 goals in the first half, so you don't have to wait until half time. Make that adjustment. Give them help if you can see that they need it.
You can see Ushaluli la Franta Gabui or Umailula. You understand Umshisha Gabui. Tell these full backs of yours, you're playing away, stay there. Talanga pack 4. It can be 4-3. Most of the 3-5-2 Sundowns one bang wing back, and then you'll be exposed there. Because the one bechita beguba 3-3. And then Besekuba Allende in the middle, na ilomchita uneo mahema. It becomes a problem. So now we are isolated kakulu. Ngapa batatis ngeba travel in Nepal. And Sundowns success team rely on long ball. They break them. Maba attacker baldala corner la bafunuba defender la and then bapumile behind them. Kuba 3-5. It becomes very easy. So a coach, I think first 20 minutes make me libon and kuleguti. Ngala nga 3-5-2. Umkhayila iside like a right long need to occupy one like a left Matlaba must run up and down alone. You need these 2 midfielders because Abamenzeli next in terms of attacking. Tell them to track back if Umatlabu ambile maybe ngapha left amvalele ngapha right manga Mkhayila ambile lo right midfield amvalele. So now I think them they were just ball watching, not giving even begane hope maybe John Maduka ukuthi they will attack banike Sundowns in competition, but the quality is not the same. Number one, technical.
Unfortunately,
the quality
that's the biggest factor in this game.
The quality in this game is not the same. And Manga check amfethu. Even if somebody debate after this game, you need to check the quality of these players. Opega these players when they pass. How many times you see ball shamka or somebody at you pass a candy, or trapping for another opposition. Here. Agna favor. I think you're going to Urulani. Mina magenzi interpret I will say. Credit to this guy, man. He's young. Mele sikchele maprada kune game wenzi planda. Le game le ezingisho le draw 1-1. I think yes, I understand he was resting players with the Champions League. Bega more cautious, but Gugu une quality enough than even the player they were still amanye bonga hlalisa bokapinga bobanibani yena bo Domingos. So yiko benginomplay intwana uyabona ukuthi mouse involved intwana uzinvolve kwendlane. When you win 5-0 you don't put these players under pressure. Le ntwana ingeni under pressure. Unfortunately Domingos got a red card. So credit to Coach Rulani. His team is energetic. I think 20 games now, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh yeah, actually, sorry, as you say that, I think there's a record at Sundowns even today that they broke. That they set in 1999 most home wins in a row. I just don't know the number, but it's most home wins in a row. Yeah. Who win most games at home in a row.
Yeah, Rulani, if he can remain humble, is going to be one of the best in future. Hardworking, Yazi why ngisho kanje. Ayiqali overnight le nto yenzwa lapha. It started training. And the discipline kuleko. Look at the players that they come from the bench. And credit to this guy, man. They score, I think, first half 3-0. They never relax. Yeah, abakona laba trepe game. But after this team scoring, I think they woke up. Sundowns score another 2 goals. And credit to this team, as ngisho ngithi, they still wanted more. Even if until the end, they ran the same pace. Baqala ngepace 1, baqede ngayo. So credit to team yakhe fit. Ngikhuluma nge-fitness, match fitness, ngikhuluma nge-tempo, control i-tempo of the game, quality of his players, the way ball rola ngakhona. They dominating each and every game they are playing. And in midfield yakhe, it's hardly see ama-game amanye Sundowns inga-dominate. Even if somebody dominate, we argue argument which they score. Look at the goals they score.
Those goals were class, man. You just have to watch the game.
My brother,
those goals were super class.
Yeah, and it goes in the training, my brother. It was the strength of each other. And it's like it rough. Yeah. So it's Sundowns and Fair. I'm sorry. It's as Oshilo last. It's very difficult to. It's very easy. So I need analyzation.
Yeah.
But you need to tell us it is.
Yeah.
These are one of the best team in Africa. Yes, number top 3 in Africa continent. They deserve, my brother. I mean, Peter, shot 10 goals in a row. Ushaya Al-Khli 5-0. In it does 6-5. And it dominant in the market. Same team come 3 days, they never rest these guys. It's tempo, man. I thought they would get
That's what I said actually at the beginning of this game. I said, you know what? They played a high-profile game. I wish Royal AM can just come with something a little bit extra to expose that.
Yeah.
But you couldn't see that. You couldn't see that at all.
Quality. Yabo kube bekuyimanga business mhlambe these players they are more ordinary. You could see maybe ngathi 1 2 3 bazame okanye bayistop iphelele ku 3 bathi 2 bathi 1 2 3. But now the quality bra enye into la noma ngaba measure bakhatheli Sundowns maybe mentally okanye body khatheli, the quality is there. Here they think more than playing football. Ngapha ne energy con. So credit to Urulani Mkwena, Steve Kompela, Mangoba Mngeti, Rulani as head coach. Players there. My brother Nkulego la umuntu wa debate one of the best team currently. Learn there if you can't funda and then go there and learn and then we sebenzise neyakhe knowledge. I am sure many teams can achieve.
All right, there you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns on a Tuesday evening, thrashing Royal AM Gamamkhize ekhutshwe emnqazini ke neKaizer Chiefs Royal AM. Mamelodi Sundowns abidlala ke neStellenbosch Football Club kuNedbank Cup yona kwidraw besiyibonile izolo sukukhona Chippa United. Orlando Pirates izabidlala neDondol Stars. Anixelela ke ntoba amaxesha azawuthini ekuhambeni kwexesha. We're coming back this weekend. On Saturday, it's a 3-game thriller. Sundowns, 3 p.m. Pirates, 5:45 against SuperSport United. And then Kaizer Chiefs late match at 8 p.m. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.